year, I'm 11 years old, and today I'm going to cook the most traditional dish for my family. And now, let's get started. So, today's dish is hot pot. Okay, so first you need to open the gas cooker. How to use it? It was quite easy, and it was quite easy. About this, you need to stir. About this, so you put oil and some pepper onion inside, and then this is just a small amount. You stir to make it a very good smell. Yeah, I can. Oh my goodness, the oil push. Now, I think now there's too much oil. My mommy put a lot of oil in this guy. So after this, I also have some ingredients. Shrimp. Shrimp is very important for this dish because with its full of nutrition inside this, and also it is pork or beef. Yeah, it was pork. Yeah, it was pork, and I think it was very good. And this, we need to cut it out into slices. Okay, so I think this is okay for this. So after that, we will put water here, right? Yeah, we will put oil inside. Alright? Oh my god. I'm not the most dancing. It is alright? Alright, about a little bit. I love to eat a lot of stuff like water. Huyên, do you like hot pot? Just one question. Huyên, very hot, especially noodles. Alright, so we need to make this bubble. So while we wait this, use this and this to cut. Alright, holding this thing, cut one slice about this side, this thick, and is put this out. Okay, so we need to cut it very slicely. Holding, how to cut it? Hold it very slicely. Cut. Another one. So with this, it was a very important thing to cut the meat. So later, my mother will help me cook it. Alright, it's also very hard. Sometimes very hard to do it. So they are already 4 slices. So now I'm going to cut.
What are you doing?
Huyên, do you want to help me cooking hot pot?
Okay. What is that?
Well, that's the water. You see, that's the onion.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Yeah. So, do you think this thing is good for your health?
Can I cut it?
So, we also need this guy. Yeah, we also need this guy.
Can I cut it?
So now, we will put it inside. Alright? But first, we need it
Can I
to
cut it?
boil. Yeah.
Hey, can I cut it, please?
Can you cut it?
Yeah.
Alright. So, show it to everyone that you are cutting. Cut it very slowly and a small slice.
Okay, like this?
It is okay? Alright. This. Okay. So, I will help you cut it. And at that time, you will cut the head of it.
No, I want to cut the
area. Holding around this area. So I will teach you that around this area, alright? It needs to be the slime needs to be not very thick, alright?
Okay.
Okay. You're holding not so funny. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
No, that.
Holy.
You let me.
Holy crap. Let me do it.
It is a star.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Go like this. Alright? The slime. I think it needs to be more thick. Around this, alright? Show it to everybody that it's okay. So, around this thing is okay. Oh, I think the water is boiled.
Okay, so this doesn't matter about it.
Look, camera. Look. It was the texture. Wow, the texture is going up. What? Yeah. When it's starting to do the right things, I need to wash my hand. Camera. Here, washing hand. This thing is so messy. Yeah, it's so messy. So, when it's cutting, can you cut it?
Yeah.
Do you think you can cut the whole thing? Oh my god.
No, it's boiling. Why did you put it so hot?
Yeah, around this area. I'm not putting. Alright, put this. Okay, so where is the scissor?
Scissor? Okay. It's right here.
Yeah, it's okay. I already got it.
That's so funny.
How many teaspoons?
Teaspoon? What teaspoon?
Half of it. Our mother said half of it. Oh my god, there is magic. Look. When there is magic, look. Look. Right.
Don't put too much.
Not very spicy. Right? A little bit more. Around this? A little bit more. Alright, finish. So, you are cutting the slice. Do you think we need to add water? I think it's spicy and you can eat it. Can't eat it, alright?
Yeah.
A little bit of water. Because sweet cat is spicy, right?
Yeah.
Spicy
So
is
spicy.
not his flavor. Yes. That's a strong smell. But not spicy. Alright. So
Cutting half of meat.
let's eat just a little bit of it. And now, oh my god, I can smell the tom yum flavor of it. But I think this video is going to be long, so I think it's time to say goodbye. And now, it's a goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone. Bye-bye.